Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change language to speak with Alexa on your speaker Amazon Echo Show 8. You have to start by open the application and now go to devices at the bottom. Then click on your speaker and go to the settings. Scroll down and click on language. And right here by default we have English, but we have a lot of options here, so just choose the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add Espanol, so click on it and click OK. OK, and now we should just wait. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!